Herman on Mike Barnes by that offensive line. The right side being Conway Neiman and Ed Fisher of the Houston Oilers. And also a good tackle by Glasgow.
Here's a guy only averages.
Naomi's favorite son.
From the 43, Stabler again to Carpenter, and a great defensive play by Freddie Cook. He had only carried 4 times prior to this ballgame for 2 yards net. It's Dickey again. They got a mismatch.
Corner. Bert Jones calls his own plays, and he certainly knows the offense. But I wonder why he wouldn't go straight up the middle once again.
So the Oilers, they say he stepped out of bounds back at the 41-yard line. So Stabler goes to work again. Play action. Greg Fields, they got him, and down he goes way back in the Houston.
Today, and Baltimore obviously not giving up. You'll see just a straight 4-man pass rush. Barnes gets by the guard. Fields is in there first to flush him. And the snake goes down.
Late in the game. Carpenter bouncing off tackle, still on his feet. Around, caught by Carpenter. Laterals, intercepted by Baltimore. Steve Hunt.
Too much with it here. Watch him. He tries to lateral it back to one of his players.
Carl Mock, I think.
Carl Mock. And Heimreiter.
He took all the blame for last Sunday's loss to Pittsburgh. Throws this one complete to the 35-yard line.